lahat yun mind games. Walang physical doon. Alisin niyo yung dalawang babae.
Wag ba? Ano yung lawyer?
Huwag na tayo mag-usap. Nung pinusasa ko si ES Medialdea, just to show them that if that's what I need to do, isa-isahin ko until such time na mag-isa si President Duterte doon sa room na yon, I'm going to do it. Kasi nang pinusasa ko si Medialdea, dinala ko sa bus.
Pero hindi ba maliwanag na kapag arestado yung isang tao, hindi pwedeng palayain kung walang court order na naman?
Sa
Having
office.
arrested him, you cannot just release him. Bawal yun, di ba? Nasa revised penal code po, infidelity in the custody of prisoners. He's already a prisoner. You may also have violated your precious Article 125 for failing to deliver ES Medialdea to the proper authorities within 18 hours. A provision that you're very familiar with. Di ba sinabi ninyo, mamalasin naman kayo pag hindi ninyo sinurrender. Eh, ba't hindi mo ginawa?